always a top-notch party, it never disappoints. This week had loads of drama. Let's see what made the Intense 5.
Number 5.
R. Kelly is now taking requests from jail. So if you're celebrating a birthday, anniversary, etc., you can book him to perform over the phone. I wonder what the cost is though.
Number 4.
Tanto really needs to be careful during his performances. A video surfaced where after nearly getting scorched by the pyrotechnics, he ran, slipped on the wet stage and slid right off. But in true Tanto style, he got right back up. That's rich, real rich.
Number 3.
So, the long lines, the overnights in your car, and the possibility you might not get a number, it doesn't matter. People are still heading to the new Chinese mechanics at Ferry, but now we hear no work permits. Will that stop you?
Number 2.
If you're a Lil Durk fan, this might interest you. He has been approved for a federal bond review in his murder for hire case after it was discovered that prosecutors used fan-edited videos as evidence. Let's see how this plays out. And finally, holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, Talia is a mommy, the good as is a mama. That's right. We have an intense baby in the house. Congrats to Tal and her hubby Shane. We can't wait to meet baby Brown. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to constantly check our IG page for the latest in everything that's happening. Up next, Carnival in the Hills. We're soon forward.